Okay, so my windshield has a chip in it there, and also I was welding and I didn't cover the glass, and unfortunately I melted the glass with some spatter. So today I'm going to be cutting out this windshield. I'm gonna just try to cut the seal and hopefully I can pop the glass out. So yeah, I'm gonna record that process and see how that goes. Okay, so I just got back from the hardware store. I picked up some 1/4-inch fine thread bolts. That's what the Scout needs. This is a 1964 Scout 80. And if you want to pop the steering wheel off, get a steering wheel puller. And again, these are I think they're 3-inch. Yeah, they look like 3-inch. 1/4-inch fine thread. That's what'll get it done. So now I'm gonna pop this piece off here, clean this up, because I've been having issues with my signal. So I'm gonna get that cleaned up, make sure it works properly before I hit the road. This is my issue. Left works good. Right, not so much. If I put some pressure on it, I can get it to work. So it does have there's a spot there that it does still work, but I'm going to take this off. I'm going to clean these connections up and I'll let you know how that works. Okay, so I took this piece off here. So it slides out of there, but first there's a snap ring and a spring that need to come off here. So once you get that snap ring off, which is right there, snap ring and a pin, then this piece will slide off. And clip this. That's the mechanism to hold it up. Okay, so it appears this piece here, yeah, so you can see it works good left. Not right. So I don't know what the problem is, but I'm going to take it off and see if I can clean it up. Okay, so I figured out that all the way at the top, the left signal works good. Going right, there's a sweet spot. So I'm hoping I can just adjust the lever, because if I push it a little further, that's why it doesn't work if it's a full turn. So right there it works fine. So I'm gonna install this because everything is good on the back here. I'm not gonna start opening up this piece here. Okay, so I got everything back together, and left is still working. Right is working now as well. So after taking everything apart, the easiest way, and really the only way I figured out how to fix it, was to bend this stop tab up. That's right on the switch. So before it was going too low, now it stops it at the sweet spot. So they're both working now, so I'm gonna put this back together and hope it lasts for a few more years. Okay, so to make things interesting, I put everything back together and I turned the wheel and I heard a grinding sound and a whole bunch of ball bearings fell out of there. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see, but the steering wheel, the steering rod, which connects down to here. So obviously that's not safe, so I'm taking it apart. So I took the wheel back off, took out all these parts, and so now I have to disconnect these wires down here. And anybody who's worked on a Scout, I'm sure already knows this, but Scout uses all the same wire. It's all green. So yeah, it's all green up until this bundle here. So yeah, I gotta mark off the cables that are coming up through the steering wheel column. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And yeah, hopefully I can feed it all through and then take this piece off, and then I can see what the problem is over there and go from there. Okay, now anybody who's taken the electrical out of here knows what an absolute nightmare it is to get the wires back. So I don't know of any other way other than I just snipped this little piece right here so that I could, and I bent back the wire feed so that I could get the wires in that way. And yeah, I still have to clip all the ends off. I got to redo the ends, but that is the only way that I can figure out to get it back on. So I snipped that and the wires are going back in. And yeah, I don't drink, but damn, this is making me want to.